Standing at the digital frontier, a participant in a narrative reshaping financial systems. You hold the choice. Are cryptocurrency traders pioneers or audacious gamblers? In this bustling virtual arena, you navigate, learn, and possibly take calculated risks. Amid the dynamic landscape, a debate unfolds. Do these traders empower decentralized finance or venture recklessly? The journey ahead uncovers insights, motives, and perspectives, reshaping your view of cryptocurrency pioneers and risk takers. Prepare for an exploration that challenges and captivates, leaving you on the brink of discovery. Welcome to an exhilarating journey through the world of cryptocurrency trading. In this captivating video, we delve into the intriguing topic of cryptocurrency traders, trailblazers, or adventurous gamblers. Join us as we unravel the minds behind the trading screens, decode trading strategies, and explore the dynamic landscape where innovation and volatility converge. Get ready for an eye-opening adventure that will change your perceptions and leave you with a deeper understanding of the cryptic world of cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for the Cryptoholics Corner, where cryptonauts unite. A vast uncharted landscape where financial norms are rewritten and transactions flow unbound by borders or intermediaries. Central to this revolution is Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency sparking innovative upheavals. Like modern-day pioneers, cryptocurrencies challenge established financial norms, creating a revolutionary transactional approach fueled by blockchain brilliance. Blockchain, a decentralized ledger, forms the bedrock of these digital assets, representing an unbreakable chain of trust. Each link symbolizes a tamper-proof transaction, reshaping the very essence of financial operations. Cryptocurrencies beckon us to reimagine money's concept, whispering future secrets. Yet, like wild frontiers, this landscape teems with allure and challenges. Cryptocurrency values rollercoaster, drawing both seasoned traders seeking fortunes and curious minds craving adrenaline. It's a dance with volatility, where wealth blooms and vanishes. Seasoned investors flock to this digital shore, enticed by high returns and the promise of a limitless world. They join a diverse community of traders, dreamers, and tech enthusiasts shaping this grand experiment. Each navigates a brave new world, pushing boundaries and shaping possibilities. As we explore, a timeless question echoes: are these traders financial pioneers or adventurers in digital wilderness? Perhaps the answer lies between forging ahead with pioneering spirit while treading carefully in uncharted territory. Cryptonauts, buckle up for a thrilling expedition through the heart of the cryptocurrency landscape. As we explore further, we'll uncover tales of triumph and cautionary tales, revealing the complex tapestry woven by these traders who are undeniably shaping the course of history in ways we're only just beginning to comprehend. Imagine a world where your location doesn't dictate your financial opportunities, where traditional banking barriers are shattered, and where transactions are as effortless as sending a text message. Cryptocurrency traders are the trailblazers leading us into this very future. In a remote village with limited traditional banking, a smartphone becomes a gateway to global commerce, startup investments, and crowdfunding. Cryptocurrency traders champion inclusivity and empowerment, seeing blockchain's potential to erase financial borders, intermediaries, and time zones, democratizing global economic participation. Their impact extends beyond finance. These traders drive change, pioneers exploring uncharted territories. Blockchain, underlying cryptocurrencies, could revolutionize supply chains, ensuring ethical sourcing and healthcare systems, enabling secure access to medical records for better patient care. Embracing cryptocurrencies, they adopt a technology that could reshape society, like digital explorers crafting a more connected, efficient, and accessible world. Amidst skepticism, they see themselves as pioneers unlocking a future rich with promise for all. Imagine a digital version of the legendary Wild West, an uncharted realm navigated by brave adventurers, the cryptocurrency traders. Like cowboys of old, they don metaphorical hats and set off on a quest for riches and challenges alike, a journey akin to taming untamed waters. In this digital frontier, critics act as observers, dubbing cryptocurrency traders as daring risk-takers in a tumultuous market. Here, values fluctuate dramatically, mirroring stormy seas where traders brave volatility on fragile vessels. And yet beyond these risks, a darker side emerges: digital outlaws and scams. Just as swindlers preyed on prospectors, the unregulated cryptocurrency realm hosts modern charlatans, duping the unwary. Amid warnings, a gold rush mentality takes hold. The allure of swift riches can cloud judgment as traders rush in driven by excitement, often neglecting crucial research. Still, amidst this paradox of risk and pioneering, not all are reckless gamblers. Some are calculated pioneers, charting terrain with astute strategies to tame volatility and seize opportunities. The digital landscape, much like the Wild West, harbors both danger and promise, where those who tread thoughtfully can unearth untold treasures. Cryptocurrency traders are more than risk takers. They shape a new financial landscape. Uncharted waters offer both peril and promise, requiring resilience, strategy, and pioneering spirit. Join us for a captivating voyage through cryptocurrency trading, where rules are evolving and the journey is as captivating as it is uncertain. Cryptocurrency trading is a riveting expedition into the uncharted waters of the digital age. Imagine yourself as a modern-day explorer, setting sail on a ship of innovation, mapping a course through the vast and tumultuous sea of cryptocurrencies. In this thrilling journey, you embody both the intrepid pioneer and the daring risk-taker as you navigate through a landscape that changes dramatically from one heartbeat to the next. Embracing the bold spirit. Let's dive straight into the heart of it. Cryptocurrency traders are the trailblazers of our time. They are the ones who see beyond the horizon, who embrace the unknown with open arms. Imagine waking up to a market that has morphed overnight, values soaring like eagles one moment and plummeting like meteors the next. It takes a certain audacity, a pioneering spirit to face such uncertainty head-on. These traders embody the spirit of those who dare to sail across uncharted oceans in search of new worlds. The shapeshifters of finance. But it's not just about boldness, it's about adaptability. Like chameleons of the financial world, cryptocurrency traders must swiftly change their colors to match the regulatory environment. Just as a skilled sailor reads the tides and adjusts the sails, these traders navigate the intricate currents of ever-changing regulation. The pioneering mindset comes into play as they decode the legal framework and blend it seamlessly into their strategies. They're not just trading, they are shaping the rules of engagement. Riding the technological tide. Imagine holding the key to a vault filled with technological wonders. This is the reality of cryptocurrency traders. They are at the forefront of technological evolution, understanding the intricate dance of blockchain, algorithms, and smart contracts. Their pioneering spirit propels them to harness these innovations, transforming them into tools that guide their journey. Think of them as digital alchemists, turning technology into golden opportunities. The symphony of market sentiments. Now let's talk about emotions. Yes, even in the digital realm, emotions run high. The cryptocurrency market is a symphony of sentiments, a cacophony of fear, greed, and excitement. Successful traders, much like skilled conductors, listen closely to this emotional melody. They understand that market sentiment can sway like a pendulum, affecting prices in unpredictable ways. Their pioneering instincts empower them to tap into this collective pulse, extracting valuable insights from the midst of chaos. Taming the wild volatility. Volatility, the heart-racing roller coaster of price fluctuations. Cryptocurrency traders ride this wave with the poise of tightrope walkers. It's a delicate balance between seizing opportunities and managing risks. The pioneering spirit that drives them forward is met with strategic risk management. It's not about avoiding risk altogether, it's about mastering it. These traders employ tactics to safeguard their investments while leaping into the unknown with calculated courage. In the wake of uncertainty. So, as we wrap our minds around this intricate dance of pioneers and risk takers, remember this: cryptocurrency traders are more than gamblers. They're captains helming ships through uncharted waters. Their pioneering spirit propels them toward innovation, while their risk management skills ensure a steady course. They are not merely passengers. They are navigators, charting a course through the evolving digital landscape. My fellow cryptonauts, cryptocurrency traders embody the spirit of pioneers and risk takers, harmoniously intertwined in an ever-evolving odyssey. As you embark on your journey through the enigmatic realm of cryptocurrency trading, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a legacy of trailblazers, shaping the financial future with every trade, every decision. So set sail with confidence, navigate with foresight, and embrace the dual roles of pioneer and risk taker as you voyage through these uncharted waters. And there you have it, cryptonauts. That's a wrap for today's insightful journey into the captivating world of cryptocurrency trading here at the Cryptoholics Corner. We hope you enjoyed diving deep into the realm of endless possibilities and heart-pounding risks that this landscape offers. Remember, as we explore whether these traders are pioneers or mere risk takers, the one constant is their undeniable role in shaping the trajectory of the financial world. As we sign off, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest trends, news, and discussions in the cryptocurrency space. We are thrilled to have you on this adventure with us. Till next time, this is the Cryptoholics Corner signing off.